Hello, Wemwega. Welcome to another Kikuyu lesson. My name is Wanjiru. You can always call me the village girl. And today I want us to talk about emotions. How do we express emotions in Kikuyu? Before we start, I just want to remind you that I teach Kikuyu language. I do it via Google Meet. If you or your friends would like to learn this language, you can reach me through this email address. Subscribe to this channel, and as I always say, if you like this video, please share it. The first emotion that we are looking at is sadness. When someone is sad, in Kikuyu we say ena ihoru. Ena ihoru. Some people may say that it is keha. Keha. That can also mean sorrow. For example, if I would say I am sad, I would say dena keha or dena ihoru. You can use either. You can use ihoru or you can use keha. The second emotion we're looking at is fear. Fear we say woya. Fear is woya. But to be afraid is wetigera. Wetigera. For example, I may need to go somewhere, but I am scared or I'm afraid of something. So to say I am afraid, I will say dena woya. Dena woya. But you may find some people saying nedere tigera. Nedere tigera. It will mean the same thing. But the third emotion we are looking at is happiness. Happiness is wokena. Wokena. So if you want to say I am happy, I will say demokenu. Demokenu. Neke. Why? Why am I happy? Because I get to teach you emotions. Demokenu. Method ndrago bamidya. Igekoyo. The third emotion we're looking at is anger. To be angry, we say korakara. Korakara. An example, I would say, I am so angry or I'm so mad. So I would say de murakaru. De murakaru. Number 5, we have surprise. Oh my god, I'm surprised. To be surprised is komaka. Komaka. And some people may say kogega. Kogega, okay? But where I come from, we say to be surprised is komaka. For example, if I wanted to say that I am so surprised, huh? Say he nedamaka. Let me tell you something. When ask Kikuyu hear some news, you're like he nedamaka. Apike. Hey. Damaka. Yes, so that means I am so surprised because of what I have just heard. I know some people may say kogega, but kogega is where now you're maybe surprised and then you just on pause like that is kogega. But to be surprised is when I was someone I am so surprised. Now at number 6 we have to be content. To be content, yani kutosheka. In Kikuyu we say koiganira. Koiganira. So I may say I am content. Like nimekuwa content, nimetosheka. I will say nedaiganira. Nedaiganira. Okay? That means you be content with what God has given you. At number 7 we have hatred. To hate is komena. Komena. In sentences, sometimes a person may say I don't like. In Kikuyu, people use I don't like more than they use I hate. For example, I may say I hate snakes because I don't like snakes. Diedete nyoka. That means I don't like. Diedete, I don't like. But if I was to say I hate snakes, I would say menete nyoka. Menete nyoka. Number 8 we have laugh. Laugh. To laugh is wodeka. Wodeka. An example, I may say I laugh a lot. because I do. I laugh a lot. So I'll say dekaga muno. Dekaga muno. If we wanted to say she laughs a lot, we would say ne adekaga muno. Ne adekaga muno. At number 9, we have cry. Cry, we say rera. Rera, rera. Oh my god, I was trying so hard not to say lela because I am a Kikuyu. To say to cry, we say korera. Korera. An example, I may say the baby is crying. So I'll say mwana ne ararira. Eish. Mwana ne ararira. Mwana ne ararira. The baby is crying. At number 10, we have confusion. To be confused, we say wotukanirwo. Wotukanirwo. For example, she was very confused. I will say are mutukanire. Are mutukanire. And the last one that I'll teach you today is to be hopeful. To be hopeful is korona mwihoko. Mwihoko means hope. And by the way, there's a place called Mwihoko here in Kenya. I actually went to school in Mwihoko. So when I say I have hope, de na Mwihoko. To say I am hoping, I am hoping I will go to coast next week. I'll say nederehoka gudhie Mombasa kiumia yokete. Nederehoka gudhie Mombasa kiumia yokete. I know I said finally, but we have the last one, which is to have faith. To have faith is kugia nawe tekio. I have faith de nawe tekio. So in church, when they say have faith, they say ya nawe tekio. Believe etekia. Ya nawe tekio. Have faith. Yes, and that is the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Wanjiru. See you next time as we learn something new. Tiborega.